open Microsoft PowerPoint application, then go to new slide and select the blank page. Right click of your mouse, then go to format background, then select the Guardian field and choose present Guardian. Select path, then select the color, then go to insert option and select textbook, and write your text. Bold it, then go to format, select word art, then go to insert option and select textbook, then go to format option and the word art, then go to insert option and select shape, select color, shape outline, no outline, shape effect, glue. Then this option, there is many option, choose any of them. Then go to send background, send to back. Then go to insert option and select textbook and drag it. And write your text. Bold it. Then go to format option for coloring this text, and the text field you can color this from here. Text outline red. Then go to insert option and then textbook and drag it in here and write your text. Bold it. Then go to format option and select the color of this text. White, and the text outline for showing this slideshow. Go to slideshow option and then click from beginning. For back, click the ESC button of your keyboard. For saving this thumbnail, go to file option, then go to export, then click the change file type. Here you can see the two options, PNG or JPEG. Which option you want to save your thumbnail, you select this, then click the save as. I click the PNG option, then click I save as. Where you want to save your document or thumbnail, you select this, then I select this, I click the name of your document or thumbnail, then click save. Just this one. I see my thumbnail is in here. Here you can see my thumbnail is ready for YouTube. For any other video thumbnail, you can make any thumbnail by PowerPoint. Thanks for watching. If you think my video is informative and helpful for you, please like, comment and subscribe my channel.